Hey y'all, so this is my first time shopping on TikTok Shop. She pushed the button. She pushed the button while my hand was in the garbage disposal. Just pull your damn hand out, you know. My hand is in there. I'm like, turn it off, turn it off. And I pulled my finger out and it was chopped off. Cozy. And I have a finger injury and my daughter is here to help me show you guys everything that I got from TikTok Shop. So without further ado, all right you guys, so sorry we had a little issue, but oh fuck no. Okay, had a kid that wanted to show her butt. So this is the first item from TikTok Shop. I will pin pictures because I'm not trying it on, I'm just showing you guys. But this is the shirt that has like the dress that Kim K was in. So TikTok Shop, hopefully you guys can see this. It's just a long black dress. Alright, you already opened it? Show me. Alright, second package. I look a mess, y'all. I've been trying to do the best I can. Like, alright guys, so here is the second package. Ooh, I already know what this is. What is that? On your puffer jacket? Yeah. So this right here is the patent leather puffer crop jacket. So cute. Again, I'm pinning pictures so you guys can see. It's so freaking cute. Yeah, that is cute. Alright, I don't know what I did with this. That's the first item. Yeah. Alright, and here comes our third item. Woo! Remy gotta use the bathroom. You gonna let Remy use the bathroom? Whoa, this is the stuffed turkey. Alright, y'all. So this is the dress that I might be wearing on my B-Day. Again, it's going to be pinned on your screen. Right here, I believe this is the puffer vest. Cute. That is cute. Also, puffer vest. I got it in gray.
Sorry. I'll leave that.
Yeah, that one was cute.
And then I think this might be the dress I wanted to wear on my birthday. Nope, it's the jumper. So the first one must have been. These are the rompers. I don't really care for this midsection right here, but it's supposed to help give a little support if you got a fupa. But whose fupa is all the way up there? Like, come on. But we'll see how it fits. And then right here. Okay. I also got it in gray, the same one you guys just seen, but it's in gray. Long sleeve. Oh, this is the dress I wanted to wear on my birthday, you guys. Huh, that's cute. And it got a split on the side, as you guys can see in the photo. It's so freaking cute. I've been eating salads for a week straight. Where the hell is my socks?
That is your sock.
Oh.
I'm dead. I wasn't wearing my sock.
Alright, y'all. And I got these socks and all of the, what do they call these? Like new natural earth tone colors. We got the brown, we got the cream, white, and black. Yep, so TikTok shop as of now. You can leave if you want to. They didn't even. They didn't
That
do.
was on purpose.
They didn't do me dirty.
And for that job, I need a Powerade.
No, Naya, for real. I'm running low. No, Zanaya.
Yeah, me too on energy.
Zanaya.
I'm only taking one.
But you took one yesterday. No, Zanaya, stop taking my Powerades, for real.
I only took one.
I know. I need those. You know I need those.
You know I need those.
Anyways, y'all. So, I'm not done. So, you know, like when you're spending money, you think that you bought more, but I guess, I don't know. I gotta find out what dress this is, y'all. I think this is the one that Kim K had on. I ordered 3 dresses. Did we pull out 3 dresses? This is 2. Oh yeah, 3. I put out 3 dresses. So I'm confused as to which one I will be wearing. I could have sworn this one had a split in the front too, but I guess I'm tripping. I guess it was just the dress itself, because it's like a low cut right here in the cleavage area, so I can, you know. But yes.
Like only mulatto.
I like mulatto. Why people keep saying that? No, they were saying, what's her name? Ice Spice.
Ice Spice.
But I'm loving these socks, y'all. These are gonna look so cute with the no tennis shoes that I have. And yeah, these rompers. What size did I order? A large. Does it like a large to you? No, it doesn't. But when I get it on, yeah.
Tomorrow you try all your
pretty
clothes
sure
on?
they'll stretch.
Are you gonna try all your clothes on?
Not tonight.
Tomorrow?
Maybe when my finger get better.
On your birthday, that thing's gonna come off.
It better be. It better be. I'm coming for you. And then y'all, you know.
Hey, try that on.
These are gonna be so. Oh my god! So this is the part that I don't like. In the picture, these were the same color grays. So, or I should say, same color gray. I was gonna wear these together, these 2 pieces, but it still would be cute. 2 shades of gray.
Hey, Mom, where's our clothes at for Christmas?
What clothes from Christmas?
Remember you online?
Yeah, I didn't order them. Because you got a cell phone, your sister got a Nintendo Switch, and you guys got all kind of stuff. Your brother got a PC. I figured clothes was not on the list this year. Can I finish my video? Thank you. This jacket, I cannot wait to put this on, y'all. But this is all from TikTok shop. So, like, oh. Again, I'm going to, as you've seen, I put all the pictures there. And then I will give the link in the description box. So if you guys are feeling these outfits, you guys can go check them out. But if you're wondering, just only if you are wondering what happened to my finger, a little story time, quick story time. If you're done with the haul, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. But if not, if you want to know what happened to my finger, I was in the kitchen and I was cleaning, and as I noticed, the sink was full of water, cereal, all the things that kids put in the sink. And I turned on the garbage disposal, and as I noticed, there were 2 lemons down there. And I'm like, okay, the garbage disposal can't chop that up. Yeah, it would be refreshing, but let me go ahead and stick my fingers, my whole hand in there and get the lemons out. So one of my kids that I birthed out of my womb and carried for 9 months, which is a twin, so I carried 2, decided to be inquisitive about the button. As I quote, is this that button that makes the noise? Yeah. She pushed the button. She pushed the button while my hand was in the garbage disposal. So normally, typically, I know me personally, when I watch movies and I see things happen, I would have been like, if I was watching a movie, just pull your damn hand out, you know? My hand is in there. I'm like, turn it off, turn it off. she finally, eventually, after what felt like eternity, turned the switch off. And I pulled my finger out and it was chopped off. She chopped my finger off. No, I'm just playing. Because I think my nails, if I didn't have nails, I think I would be missing a middle finger. So it kind of like chewed up my nail, and then it cut me really bad right here on the side, right here in the front. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I don't have no mobility in my finger right now. It's still numb, not as numb as it was for the past day or two. I couldn't feel it at all. I was really worried that the nerves were just out of here, you know, going to February. You guys, speaking of February, my birthday is coming up February the 18th, so that's why I did treat myself to these clothes, in which, like I said, out of the 3 dresses, 1 will be worn on my birthday. And I hope that I'll vlog that day, but knowing me, I don't want to be responsible for no camera. So yeah, so that's what happened to my finger, and it's healing. It doesn't hurt as bad as it was. I was crying like a freaking 2-year-old. Yeah, it was bad. It was bad. But yeah, y'all got a quick little haul from my first purchase from TikTok Shop, and y'all got a little story time on why my finger is like this and why my daughter had to kind of help me show y'all what I got. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are not yet subscribed, if you're new here, welcome to 4 is Enough, and you'll never get enough, I promise you. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell so you can get notified when we do post. We have lately been only posting a lot of shorts, but we are going to get back in the groove of uploading vlogs if y'all want them. That's only if you want them. So yeah, until next time, you guys, we love you. Thank you so much. We appreciate the support, the love, comments, all that. And we'll see you later. Adios.